Hello everyone. Today we will going to talk about the cooling system. A cooling system is a very important parts to our cars or sa ating bawat sasakyan at mga motor. Dahil ang cooling system, siya ang nagre-reduce ng heat para hindi mag-overheat ang ating mga sasakyan, ang ating mga motor. Cooling system. A cooling system is a vehicle keeps on the engine from the getting too hot. So yun nga sabi ko, ang cooling system ay nagre-reduce ng init sa bawat makina ng ating sasakyan para hindi ito mag-overheat. Habang ang ating sasakyan ay umaandar, it produces heat. The cooling system use a liquid called coolant mixed with water that flows through the engine to absorb heat. Then it goes to the radiator when the heat is released into the air. This keeps the engines at safe temperature so it doesn't get damaged. So, yun nga sabi ko, ang cooling system ay nakakatulong ito para hindi masira ang ating sasakyan at para hindi ito mag-overheat. The cooling system regulates engine temperature and prevents overheating. It works by circulating coolant through the engine where it absorbs heat. Then the heated coolant passes through the radiator where air flows cools it down before it goes back into the engine. Meron tayo ditong pressure release cap, thermostat, pump, cylinder, fan, overflow pipe, and drain cock. Then ang main components ng ating cooling system ay radiator, water pump, thermostat, coolant, and radiator fan, and yung mga ating hoses or mga tubes hose. Radiator. Ito yung ating radiator. Nagalaw. Ito ang ating radiator. Ang radiator ay to cools down the hot coolant. Siya ang nagpapa-cool down sa init gamit ang coolant. Next is water pump. Circulates the coolant through the system. So, yung water pump, siyang nagbubuga sa ating coolant para mag-circulate yung coolant natin papunta sa bawat tube at papunta sa ating thermostat at radiator. Next is thermostat. Thermostat regulates coolant flow based on temperature. Coolant. Ang ating coolant ay meron siyang antifreeze plus water. Ang ating coolant is transfer heat from engine to radiator. So, yung init ng ating sasakyan, ita-transfer nito ngayon sa radiator para hindi mag-overheat yung ating sasakyan. Next is meron tayo tinatawag na radiator fan. Radiator fan helps cool the radiator, especially when the car is stationary. Next is meron tayo tinatawag na hose. Mga tube hoses natin dito sa ating cooling system. Connect everything and allow coolant to flow. So, yung gamit ng hose natin, dyan dumadaan yung bawat coolant natin papunta sa ating cooling system, papunta sa ating thermostat, sa ating radiator. Yun ang nagpapagana para yung heat sa ating sasakyan ay mapunta sa ating radiator para malis yung init ng ating makina. The cooling system maintains the engine optimal operating temperature. Excuse me. Typically around 90 to 105 degrees Celsius to prevent overheating, reduce thermal stress, and maintain performance. There are two main types, air-cooled and the liquid-cooled, with liquid cooling being more common in modern vehicles. Our key components of liquid cooling system is the coolant fluid. Ang ating coolant fluid naman, is a mix of water and antifreeze with additives to prevent rust and boiling or freezing. Then meron din tayong tinatawag dito na water pump. Excuse me. Water pump is a centrifugal pump that circulates the coolant throughout the engine block, cylinder head, and to our radiator. Radiator transfer heat from the coolant to the outside air via pins and tubes. Next is yung ating thermostat. Ang ating thermostat, a valve that opens and closes based on engine temperature to maintain thermal balance. And also we have a radiator cap. Yung radiator cap natin, siya yung takip sa ating radiator cap ay sa ating radiator. Pag binuksan natin yung cap, dyan natin may lalagay yung tinatawag natin na coolant. Radiator cap maintains system pressure to raise boiling point of the coolant. Cooling fan, ano naman trabaho ng cooling fan natin? Siya yung nagbubuga. Electrically or belt-driven, boost airflow across the radiator kapag ito ay kailangan na. Some systems also include expansion tanks, bypass lines, and engine oil coolers for advanced thermal management. So, yun ang ibig sabihin at bawat silbi ng main components ng ating cooling system. Dahil ang ating cooling system, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, siya ang nagre-reduce ng init sa ating bawat makina ng ating sasakyan para ito'y hindi mag-overheat. Yun lamang at maraming salamat. Sana naintindihan niyo ang aking explanation. Thank you so much.